Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join us today. We're diving into a wig review, and this one's all about a popular option in the world of glueless lace wigs. We're checking out the Glueless Wigs Human Hair Pre-Plucked, Pre-Cut HD Lace 6x5 Closure Curly Human Hair Wig. Now let's get into the details of what makes this wig stand out and whether it lives up to the buzz. This wig comes with some impressive claims, starting with its glueless design and pre-plucked features. It's made from 100% human hair, directly cut from young girls, which means no shedding and no tangling, something every wig wearer will appreciate. The density is set at 220%, which gives it a thick, voluminous look, and the texture is a curly, deep wave. The wig is also pre-bleached and has advanced invisible knots, designed to give you that realistic scalp look. The key highlight is the 6x5 lace closure, offering a larger lace area than typical wigs. This larger area not only provides more stability, but also allows for a variety of styling options, making it versatile. The HD lace is marketed as invisible, ensuring that it blends seamlessly into your skin for a natural look. With its medium cap size, 22.5 inches, adjustable elastic band and combs, it promises a secure and comfortable fit, no matter your head size. I've had the chance to test this wig out, and here's what I found. Right out of the box, the hair feels incredibly soft, definitely high-quality human hair. The curls are beautifully defined, and the deep wave pattern gives it a natural, voluminous bounce. The HD lace is impressively thin and blends into the skin really well, which is a big plus for a realistic look. The pre-plucked hairline was another win. It gave the wig a natural but believable hairline that required very little customization, which is great for anyone who's new to wigs or just wants something that's ready to wear. The wig cap fits comfortably, and I found the adjustable straps and combs secure the wig in place quite well, ensuring it doesn't shift around during wear. The 6x5 lace closure also gives it more styling versatility. I had no trouble experimenting with different looks, from half-up styles to full, voluminous curls. However, I did notice that while it's marketed as glueless, the secure fit doesn't necessarily eliminate the need for a bit of holding spray or adhesive for longer wear, especially if you're going for a more secured look. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: realistic look. The pre-bleached invisible knots and HD lace create a natural scalp appearance. High-density hair. The 220% density provides full, voluminous hair with lots of bounce. Comfortable fit. Adjustable cap and elastic band ensure a snug, secure fit for various head sizes. Versatility. The larger lace area allows for multiple styling options. Cons: potential for extra hold. While glueless, you may need additional support if you're planning to wear the wig for an extended period. Not beginner-friendly for all. Even though the hairline is pre-plucked, some might still prefer more customization for a perfectly natural fit. Is this product worth its price? Given the quality of the hair, the innovative HD lace, and the fact that it's 100% human hair, it's definitely an investment for anyone looking for a wig that blends well and offers styling flexibility. For the price, you're getting a durable, high-density wig that's ready to go out of the box. Although, like most wigs, you may still want to fine-tune it a bit to your liking. When it comes to alternatives, there are other wigs on the market with similar features, but few offer the combination of high-density human hair, realistic lace, and versatility in styling. While some wigs come close, this particular one stands out for its natural look and ease of use, especially for those looking for a pre-plucked, glueless option. In terms of build quality, the hair itself is soft and glossy, and the lace is fine and thin, which ensures it looks natural. The wig cap is adjustable and fits securely, making this a solid option for long-term use though. As with all wigs, proper care is essential to maintain its appearance. I haven't had any interactions with customer service, but the brand Megalook Hair is known for its commitment to high-quality human hair wigs. The reputation in the industry speaks to their focus on providing customers with a premium product. If you're considering alternatives, there are other glueless lace wigs out there, but for the price and the quality, this one is a solid contender. So, what's the final verdict? The Glueless Wigs Human Hair Pre-Plucked, Pre-Cut HD Lace 6x5 Closure Curly Wig offers a combination of high-quality human hair, realistic lace, and easy wear. It's perfect for anyone who wants a full natural look without the hassle of adhesives, though some extra hold may be needed for longer wear. If you're in the market for a glueless, high-density wig with a realistic hairline, this could be the one for you. Before we wrap up, if this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've tried this wig or have any questions, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with it. Until next time, remember, stay fabulous with Beautyistic.